Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about this little post by Sawyer. I myself actually received the notification of the extended uh, full self driving. I thought it would be more than it's only 8 days. So it was intended to end on November 16th, and now I think they added to no, it expired November 24th. I'm not sure what's going on with Tesla. Maybe they have a later version after 12.5.4.1 release, or maybe something better that Tesla wants us to try it out. So, but according to this one, say Tesla is extending everyone's free FSD trial in North America by another 30 days. I didn't get 30 days. I only got 8 days. I wonder if this is because they want people to try FSD V13 before their trials runs out. So I hope that is correct, because with the current version that I have right now, or all of us have right now, I really enjoyed it. There's no more nag. I can sit back and relax and have the vehicle drives me, right? So yesterday I went to your Belinda to pick up my mom. And, my mom is like 75. So she's very skeptical about, sitting in a vehicle autonomously, driven. She's like, hey, son, put your hand on the wheel. Look at the wheel, right? But guess what? She's like, I'm going to close my eyes and I'm not going to, I can't stand this. But afterwards, after like a couple of minutes, she's like, well, you know what? It looks like it can drive. No, of course. It actually drove us back home in so like we're like 45 minutes distant wise, and let me tell you, it's nothing but great. So here you can see these, and I actually like some of the comments that they have here, and you can see here. So only 8 more days for me. So Fabian, I'm with you, man. I got see my expiration date is the same as yours. So I let's assume that the version 13 will be out sooner before that November 24th end. So, and some of these comments are really good. So like here, or they might want people to try the highway stack with the versions 12.5.6.1. I imagine they paper launch the version 13 to EA by the end of the month, best case. After that, another best case will be 2 more weeks before it hits that fleet with meaningful numbers. And here, the free trial on my Model 3 ends on November 24th. Yes, same. So I guess majority of us only got added 8 more days. And this is what TGFE. Tesla is good for Earth. So even when FSD is given away for another 30 days free trial, this actually benefits Tesla by accelerating the training of FSD, with more participants contributing more mileage to the data. This is great. So Tesla is not stupid. Tesla is really smart. So they're getting FSD exposure to almost everybody. So if you don't know about FSD, how you can spend the money, how you know what I mean, how you can subscribe, right? But anybody that actually tried the latest version of FSD, they will be blown away, right? So a lot of people talk negative about Tesla, say, hey, Tesla this with this many crashes. The government looking to about 4 crashes, you know what I mean? Even without FSD, people crashes all the time. Why not look into those, right? But since they're hating Tesla and they make a big deal, but as far as I know, Tesla, of course, nothing is perfect, There's a couple instances where, the Tesla was made like a hiccup where they couldn't make they didn't indecisive, I would say. So they see cars coming up and it was kind of hesitant about one of the things I suggest with Tesla is because they wait till the last minute to take the exit. And I myself, if I know I'm about to exit, I'm not going to wait until one exit before that to exit, because what if the traffic is high and then I can't make it? But for 2 instances, that's what happened to my Tesla. They didn't exit. They didn't change the lane from the carpool lane to the slow lane fast enough for them to react. So when with the last mile or the last thing, it was very indecisive. But other than that, it was great. So here, let's see. they should give us 3 to 6 month free trial after the version 13 is released. It takes time for people to use it, and once they use it, it takes time to start enjoying it and getting used to it. 30-day trial is not up. I agree with you 100%, Jesse. And Joey Wax, trying to lock millions more miles of footage and info to make FSD take that next step. 100%. That's why Tesla is providing us one of this. One, to bring Tesla to the FSD exposure to everybody. Number two, they get the benefits of collecting the data, right? So we're pretty much like Tesla getting free data from us, and in a way, it benefits both sides. Tesla get the data, and we get to enjoy the free version of it, even though it's for a month or a month and 8 days, right? And this is the second time that Tesla did it. They offer once. I don't remember the exact. I think last year when I took it to Vegas, but really good. Just received it on my both. For my Model Y, Model X, I like how even if you already subscribed, they stack on additional month. Okay, thank God. Tesla, you do the right thing. Really good. Because it would piss off other people if you continue to charge them and give free to the others. They're not compute constraints and need the data more than anything. It's my guess, enable all the cars. Yep. So just enable all of them. Well, make sure all the ones that are capable with the computers that are capable of self-driving, right? Pretty awesome that despite subscribing, I'm getting free until this. Do good news. So there's great news here. Yeah. So yeah, I really hope version 13 is successful. So my guess is, and my hope is, I'm looking forward for the latest versions of the Tesla, because the one that we have right now, it's already blown my mind. I don't have to. The only thing that it requires us to do is just to pay attention to the road. If you're looking down at your phone, if you're trying to pick up something, the computer, the screen will give you warnings like, hey, pay attention to the road. So, which is 100% correct. You know what I mean? Because if you don't, it's still in a way, it's still a computer. It still needs your reaction, because there's a lot of variables out there that can that needs your fast reaction to take over, right? So that's why. So, but other than that, see, how many of you got the trial, and how many of you got the extended, like myself and like everyone else here? I know you guys excited for the newer version, the V13. Right, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.